Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are doing good and fine. How to share large files without any third-party software. In this video, we are going to see n number of tools which are available for sharing the file. Particularly one important tool which is used at most everywhere right now for sharing large content of file. Let's see that. One of the most common tool right now we are using is Firefox Send. It is a free transfer service from Mozilla that lets you to share from any browser on the PC. You are allowed to share up to 2.5 GB of data. When you share file via Send, the recipient receives a link to click and download it. It applies end-to-end encryption to secure your shared file. Also, you can control your file to determine whether its links expires, how many times it can be downloaded, and whether someone need a password to open it. Let's see with a demonstration. First, go to Google search and type as Firefox Send. Click enter. Now you can see that Firefox Send in the first result. Also you can use the URL send.firefox.com. So click on Firefox Send. It will redirect to the exact page Firefox Send. Now in two ways you can select and upload a particular file. You can drag and drop or select a particular file from any drive or folder. Now select files to upload. I am clicking here. Now I am going to select image file, and if in need, I need to add some extra files or additional files towards this. I need to click on select files to upload. Now I am selecting one video file along with this image file. Okay. Now you can decide on the link sharing security option, like whether the link will expire after a specific number of download or a certain amount of time. Here you can see that this particular file will expire after one download. I am going to change here as it should expire after 20 downloads, or how many days this particular file should be available. I am selecting here as 7 days. Okay. Also you have one more security option, that is protect with password. A password can also be used to save this file by sending, and also to the receiver will receive this particular option called as protect with password. He need to enter the password to decrypt this particular file. So click on the protect with password and type the password which you need to set for this particular file. Once you clear with this, click on the upload button. You can see that both the files get entered into an archive content, and it will display a message that it will expire after 20 downloads or after 7 days. It will take some amount of time for uploading. Let's wait for that. Now you can see that your file is encrypted and ready to send. Copy the link so you can share or paste to proceed the download functionalities. Okay, so copy the link and it will redirect to the page. Again click on the copy link. So now close this particular tab and paste the link. Now you can see the download link for that specific file. You need to enter the password to unlock that particular file. Yeah. Now click on download. That's it. The file which you shared is now available in the download functionalities. In this way you can send n number of files. And one thing you need to keep remember here is you need to sign in into your email account to perform the action, that is performing multiple file uploading options. Rather than Firefox, we have n number of online tools. Some of the important tools which are available to share the large files are Snaggy, FileMail, FileDropper, WeTransfer, MyAdBridge, and DropSend. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time. Stay connected with KIIT and Visaithalam for more interesting videos in related to science and technology. Thank you so much.